So these are the bulbs that I use Lasfit. I get mine on eBay. They are amazing. Now, you are going to pay $10 for 2 bulbs, but in this case, the saying is true. You get what you pay for. And so far, I've had them in my other Jeep, and I haven't seen any dimming. They just light up my whole world, literally. My wife even thinks they're too bright, but you know, everyone has their preference. It definitely gives your Jeep a new feel. So here, let me show you. I'm recording with the light off. Let me turn the first one on. Now, look at that. That's all the light I get. Okay, now with the new bulb installed on the other side, let's see, where's the light here? Wow, look at that. I mean, with that bulb, you couldn't even see anything. And look at just this one bulb. So, yeah, that's all I have to say right there.